Giancarlo Comi, professor of neurology at the Scientific Institute of San Raffaele in Milan, director of the INSPE Research Institute, and vice chair of the Progressiveness Alliance, and finally, chair of the European Charcot Foundation. The European Charcot Foundation has been founded in the early 80s. It's now more than 30 years. And one of the very important turning points was a few years ago when we decided to try to have an umbrella covering a lot of ongoing initiatives in the area of multiple sclerosis in Europe. So we invited all the representatives of the major initiatives. It happened for the first time 3 years ago in Milan, and we asked everybody to introduce their own initiatives in order to try to see if it was possible to have a bit better concerted activity instead to repeat maybe the same initiatives with a waste of money and waste of time. And it worked quite a lot, and we have now the most important research initiatives in the area of MS in Europe under the umbrella of the European Charcot Foundation, and we try to support these initiatives, not necessarily to sponsor, in some cases just to help to coordinate a bit better among initiatives. And I think it was a good idea because we have seen a quite really concrete results, and the most important concrete results is the concept of multiple sclerosis care unit. The multiple sclerosis care unit was an idea generated by the clear view that with the increase of the complexity of treatments for MS, as a consequence, there was the need of a much better organization for many reasons. First, if you have such complexity of treatments, you have to try to find always which is the best treatment at a given time point for a given person with MS, and it may really require the evaluation of many different parameters, clinically, demographic, and instrumental parameters. So at the end, it needs organization. There are excellent experts of MS in Europe, but what really is now fundamental is not only to have very informed neurologists, but also to have a very good organization that support decisions. And this was the concept of MS care unit. It's a concept that we try now to extend. We started with the evaluation of the state of treatment decision in different European centers. Now we are exploring the models of organization of the assistance to MS, not only in Europe but also outside Europe. And then the next step will be the tentative to bring this view of the MS care unit everywhere in a bit more homogeneous manner, so that all the European citizens at least receive the same opportunity of treatment. And I think is a very important point. It's also, let me say, a good point to protect Europe and to give value to the concept of Europe. When Paola Zaratin informed me about this very important initiative, Multi-Act, and I had really the privilege to be there in one of the first meetings. I really thought this is a fantastic idea, because we need to have a better way to estimate the investment, not only in terms of money, but also in terms of time and human resources. And to do that, we need to have the possibility to measure what we are doing. even myself as a president of the European Circle Foundation, sometimes I ask myself, but what we are doing is something that is really of help for the different people involved, patients, but also pharma companies and academic center. So to me, and what I have seen today as an external advisory board member is really reassuring. Very concrete steps have been produced, and I think we are really not so far from the objective of the Marty Act. So really, and I hope that they will be in a condition to use the product when the product will be mature.